So, we're going to dive into the world of science and tech. Maybe you're already into sci-tech and looking for fresh perspectives. Or, you're a young scholar switching majors because, let's face it, it's not 1865 anymore and classical studies doesn't exactly pay the bills, alright? Or hey, maybe you don't know anything about tech and just want a super geeky friend who can break it all down in a fun, chill way. Well, good news, I can be all three. Need a guide, a buddy, a weird tech-obsessed internet friend? Say no more. Hi, I'm WinterTime, your soon-to-be favorite sci-tech loving VTuber pal. You probably stumbled on this channel through a TikTok, YouTube short, or maybe, just maybe, from the nanobots that secretly released into several water treatment plants to the tri-state area. Oh yes! So why am I here? Great question. I started this channel to push myself to keep learning about science and technology while creating a fun, supportive space for people who are curious about these fields, but maybe feel overwhelmed or out of the loop. My love for tech started with my dad. He was my tech buddy, and together we did all kinds of cool stuff. Talking about robotics, building robots, talking about computers, building computers. He'd take me to innovation shows and exhibits. I thought it was the best thing ever. Now I want to share the spark he lit in me with anyone who needs it. Even if I inspire just one person to fall in love with science and tech, that's enough for me. So, what's the vibe here? Think of this channel as a friendly, nerdy hangout spot, not a classroom. Our promise to you is to make science and tech fun, exciting, and totally accessible, without feeling like you're stuck in a 3-hour lecture with Professor blah blah blah. I'll keep things unbiased, engaging, and just a little chaotic, but in a good way. I post every Monday and Friday with bite-sized short videos sprinkled throughout the week to keep things fresh. We'll cover everything, from groundbreaking discoveries to quirky tech facts. Got a topic you want me to cover? Hit me up. I got links to my socials like X and Discord in the description, so you can drop me a suggestion anytime. So are you in? Awesome. Just sign here and here and oh, okay, that should have been blacked out. And here, done. No take backs. Subscribe for more tech and I'll see you in the next one. It's wintertime, baby.